Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we're doing a lot of things with our clients and we're talking to people every day, really getting to know people and really find out what they need and want with regards to our services and that sort of thing. I think we're finally caught up booking everybody for their intro calls after the CNN final influx of people, which was fabulous. So as we talk to people, it's always interesting because you get a different viewpoint and you find out what kind of data is missing and things they might not know that are really, really important to know. And this particular thing is vital. If you are moving to Italy, like you want to retire and move, you can't just move. You have to become a resident. So if you're selling your house in the US and planning to come buy a property and then become a resident, I would not recommend that. Because if you've moved all your money and property over to Italy and then you find out for whatever reason that you can't become a resident here, you could be in a whole lot of trouble. So the first thing you need to do is nail down your residency. Now, of course, it seems like a cart before the horse before the cart before the horse thing because you have to have a residence in Italy, either a rental contract or a home in Italy before you can become a resident. That's one of the prerequisites. So a lot of people are going, well, what do I do? Well, what you can do is you can get a rental contract. And then when you get your residency, come over and purchase the property that's perfect for you given those circumstances. It may be that if you can't get residency, you just want to get a smaller property that you spend, 3 months out of the year here. And that would work fine, but you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket and then find out the basket has no bottom, if you know what I mean. In any case, there are rental properties that you can find. One of the things that we supply and some of the people we know also supply are rental contracts that can be broken by mutual agreement. So let's say you want to come over here and you want to buy a property and you need a rental contract to get your residency. You can negotiate a rental contract with somebody for one of their vacation homes or residences or Airbnbs or whatever, and that contract gets recorded with the comune. However, you can put a clause in the contract that says this contract will be broken by mutual agreement in case the renter finds another property or decides to rent somewhere else. So that's an option too. So you're not hooked in for a whole year in a place when you come over and after 3 months you buy your property and now you have the property and you're still paying for the contract of the rental. So that's an idea. It's something to look into. And like I said, several of our friends around here have apartments and things like that they do rent out on Airbnb, and they're very willing to look at a longer term contract for you, which can then be recorded at the comune and give you exactly what you need in terms of a residence here so you can go and get your residency and then come over and find your beautiful property. So that is my recommendation for you guys. Nail down your residency first. Of course, Nick Mehta has great packages for that. And in fact, I can guarantee you it will save you a ton of frustration and bureaucracy if you go with them because they have it all nailed down. Because they've been through every possible scenario and they know how to prepare you so that you're ready to go and you don't have to keep going back millions of times getting this document or that document or whatever. So those are my recommendations, guys. Hope it helps. See you soon.